Yo, what is up, everyone? Jeremiah Melendez is here. Welcome back to another brand new video on YouTube. So, in today's video, I'm going to play this game. This game is called Moto X 3M. We're gonna get this started to play this game, but before I get this started to play this game, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment down below, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Alright, here we go. So, let's do this. Okay, so this is the first level that I'm going to be in. So, let's do this. Alright, so I just gotta do this. Oh, no, wait. I don't know how to control this. Oh, like this. Okay. Alright, there we go. Boom. Oh, don't fall, don't fall. Ah, dang, I fall, man. All right, let's try this again. All right, here we go, here we go. That's right. Yeah, get up there. Uh-huh. Boom, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Okay, I did a cool flip. Oh, I gotta slow down. Oh, oh, dang. It's kind of getting laggy. I don't know why my computer's getting laggy. I gotta fix this lag. Oh, gosh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, dang, that's a big chainsaw. Oh, stop right there. Stop right there. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. There we go. I didn't get 3 stars, but that's all right. That's okay. All right, so we're going to go to the next level. All right, so here we go. The next level. All right, here we go. Let's do this, bruh. Riding a motorbike. Yeah. Oh. Ah. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang it. I crashed, man. All right, let's try this again. I'm going to try again. All right, here we go. There you go. There you go. Boom. There you go. Dang, I just did a... Dang, I rode my bike so high. What is this? Do I have to stop? Oh, here we go. Come on, come on. There we go, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's do this. And now we got a loop. Yup, we got a loop right there. All right, let's do this. Oh, dang it. I didn't know I had to stop there. I didn't know. All right, we're going to try this again. So stop right there. Okay, this is like a tank that we're on. Okay, there we go. Knock all this down. Uh-huh. Relax. We gotta relax here. I don't want to move too much. All right, come on. There we go. Almost to the finish line. Come on, just right there. Here we go. We did it. 1 stars, but that's all right. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if we get 3 stars, but we're just playing here to have fun. That's what we're going to do here, okay? That's what we're going to do here. All right. So we're going to go to the next level. 3rd level we're going in. It looked like we're in a cave. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, oh. Come on. Come on. There you go. Lane right there. Perfect. That's a perfect lane. Okay. I don't want to go too fast because I got to make sure it's slowed down because I don't know. You might not know what might come after you because sometimes you have to slow down in this game. You know, sometimes you have to slow down. Okay, here we go. We're moving a little too fast. Well, there's a loop right there. Here we go. Uh-huh. Oh, I have to stop. All right, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on, go, 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 go. Oh, I did it. I did it. Okay, we passed that. There better be a checkpoint. All right, that's my checkpoint. All right, here we go. Damn, bro. Oh, stop, stop, stop. Oh, perfect flip. Perfect. We did it. 2 stars, not bad. All right, let's go to the next level. All right, so next level we're in. Okay, what is this one? What is this? All right, here we go. There's a lot of chainsaws here. Yeah. Oh, no. Dang it. I should have stopped. All right, we're going to try this again. At least we got a checkpoint. All right, here we go. Come on. Come on. This one looks so stressful. No, no, no. What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try this again. So here we go. We're gonna try this again to play this. Come on, come on. There you go. There, just go. Just move. Just move. Move on. Move on. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Move on. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay, what we got? What we got? What we got coming up? What we got coming up? Oh, shoot! I didn't know. I didn't know that was right there. Okay, we gotta stop. We gotta stop. There we go. Now we could go. Oh, 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 oh. Land, land. There we go. Ah, we didn't get no stars. You know what? That's alright. I don't care about getting stars. The only thing I care is having fun to play this game. That's all we're gonna do, okay? That's all we're gonna do to play this. That's all we're gonna do. Okay, next level. Here we go. Next level. We got the beautiful sunset right there. Look at this sunset. Y'all see the sunset? It's so beautiful. Okay, here we go. Alright, next one. Let's do this, bruh. Let's do this. What you got? We're like in the desert. Dang, there's so much stuff going by. We got a lot of spikes right there. There we go. There we go. Just knock all those wood down. There you go. There you go. We go down right there. We got a checkpoint. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, we did a cool flip. All right. Another checkpoint. Okay, what we got? Very good. They're very good. I did a good job on this level. This level was pretty fine. It was pretty fine. It was actually kind of easy, but was not that bad. All right. Next level. What we got? What is this one? Oh, okay. We got woods that look like cheese. We got another checkpoint. Oh, I didn't know there was loot right there. I didn't know this. Okay, I didn't know. How I didn't know that? How I didn't know that? All right, come on. Go down. There you go. There you go. Go up. Oh, God. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? All right, we just got to go up again. There you go. Ooh, this is so stressful. Okay, we did that. We did good. We're doing good. Ooh, that thing almost hit me. I just died. But we made it. We made it. It don't matter I got the stars, okay? It don't matter. I did fine, okay? I did fine in this level. Alright, we're gonna go to the next level. Alright, so next level. Okay, we're like in a cave again. Oh, slow down. Slow down. There we go. We got a checkpoint. What we got? Oh! Okay. Okay. There we go. Alright. It's like a bridge. Okay, moving on. Here we go. Alright. We got another checkpoint. Ooh, what we got? Ooh, that's a lot of snakes. Oh, come on, bro. There we go. Perfect land. There we go. Perfect land. Another checkpoint. What we got? Oh! Good thing those rolly things didn't screw me up. Oh, God. Oh, God. Slow down, bro. Slow down. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? No. Ain't, bro. Oh, my God. I messed up, y'all. I messed up. Okay, we gotta do this again. There you go. Go on. Pass by. Oh, my gosh. Come on. Come on. No, what are you doing? Oh, my gosh. Bruh, come on. I'm going up. I'm done playing around. I'm done. I'm done playing games. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Get up. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there, man. There you go. There you go. Alright, another checkpoint. Alright, let's go down. We're going down the hill. And we got this part. Alright. Finally, I got up. Finally. All right. Let's go to the next level. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, what we got here? Okay, so we're at like the beach again. Okay, we're at the beach. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, dang. Those things are explosive. Okay, what we got here? What we got here? Wait. Wait. Let me like do this. Go back. Can I go back? I cannot go back. All right, let's do this. Oh, there we go. Another checkpoint. It want me to stop. Stop right here. There you go. Relax. Just relax. Just relax, bro. No, what are you doing? What are you doing? No! I was so frustrated. All right, let's move on again. All right, here we go. Come on, come on. Come on. There, just chill. Relax, bro. No! No, don't relax too much. Let's try this again. Come on, man. Come on. There you go. There you go. Bro, just relax. Relax. No, keep going. No. No. How? How? There's no way I cannot make it here. There's no way. Okay, we just relax here. Just relax. There you go. There you go. Relax. Relax. Oh! Oh, I made it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, thank you. All right, checkpoint. We did a good job, y'all. We did a good job. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this game. I'm done here, but I'm really glad to I have a fun time playing this game. This was actually fun. Cool Math is a great game. You know, when I was a kid, I used to play this game so much. Cool Math, like this brings back so memories in this game. So I'm really glad I have a good time playing this. Thank you all for watching. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on that notification bell. I'm going to go, and I will see y'all next time. Peace out, everyone.